Hey, how's it going? Seth Williams here from reipster.com and Stride CRM. In this video, I'm going to give you a quick tour of the new Stride mobile app. So this is something we've been working on for months. It's a really big deal because now it's super easy to access your CRM from anywhere. So all you got to do is download the Stride mobile app. I'll have links to both places where you can download it from both the iOS and the Android store. And once you got it on your phone, you can just tap it, open it up like this. And right off the bat, you're going to see a dashboard. This is the demo account I'm looking at right here, so there's not a whole lot to look at, but you'll notice you've got pending tasks over the last 30 days. We've got pipeline value, so that's like the value of all the deals that are currently in your pipeline. We've got unread messages, appointments that are happening today, and it might just look like, a nice little dashboard, but each one of these things you can actually tap and open them up. So if I go ahead and tap on pipeline value, it's kind of like a little app within the app that opens up that part of the CRM. And from here, we can look at all the different leads in our pipeline and where they're at in the land flipping life cycle journey. So there's that. For pending tasks, you can click on that as well. If there's any pending tasks for you that you got to do, it'll show that right there. You can also see any unread messages and all your past conversations and appointments. So if you've got your calendar integrated with Stride, it'll tell you everything important that's coming up today or in the next few days. And moving on down, we can also see some pinned apps right here. So you're welcome to use those, or you can use this navigation bar at the very bottom of the app. We wanted to make the most useful things the easiest to get to, so that's why you see those icons down there. So right now we're on the home screen. Go ahead and click on conversations. So this is where you can search for any conversation and find it, or you can just go ahead and scroll down. You can also look at your internal chat, say if you've got chats going on with people on your team, or look at your inbox. So once we open this up, from here, we can either send a text to Colton or we can send him an email. And we can also see all the past email and text correspondence we've had with this person. We can tap on any one of these things and open it up and see the full body of the email or the text that was sent. We can also make a call right from here. So if I go ahead and tap this little phone icon at the top, it's going to start calling him right then and there. I'm going to quick hang out because I don't actually want to call him right now, but it's that easy to make a phone call from your phone. Go figure, huh? Now, if you do want to be able to send and receive texts, you're going to want to make sure you have the A2P compliance box checked. And even if that's not checked, you can still send and receive calls from your phone. And if you want to schedule an appointment or create an opportunity or show activity, any of those things, you just click those three buttons in the top right corner and you can do that from there. There's a lot that can happen here in this conversations part of the app, so be sure to check that out. Now, moving on here to opportunities. So this is the opportunity pipeline or the opportunity deal board, depending on who you are and what you like to call it. But this is where you can see all of the deals currently in your pipeline, whether they're just starting out as warm leads or they're in the closing process or they're closed, or even if they fell off your pipeline, you can find all those right here. You can move over here to the right or the left. You can click on any one of these things and it will open up that opportunity card and you can find all the information about that owner and all the property information, any tasks associated with it, any notes, any appointments. So really your whole deal board, you can see it right from the mobile app. And this is really where a lot of people spend most of their time in the CRM anyway. So it's great to have this right in your pocket. Now, if you want to go over here to the dialer, so this is where you can make a phone call from your business phone number. You can dial in the number if you want, or you can go ahead and review your most recent calls. You can open up your book of contacts and scroll through them and find somebody, or you can type out their name and find them that way. Let's go ahead and look for John, see if he shows up. There we go. There's John Doe. So all we got to do is tap his name. It's going to start calling. Also keep in mind, if you've set up call recording and transcription in your Stride account, it will do that whether you're making a call from your desktop or from your phone right here. So call recording and transcribing can be massively helpful, especially if you have a team and especially if you're using something like Stride Sales Coach to actually grade and evaluate the quality of your team's calls. So definitely make sure that's turned on if you want to use that. Now, if we move all the way over to the right in the lower nav bar, we'll find the apps button. And this is where we put some helpful apps within the Stride CRM mobile app that we think you'd find useful. So first of all, the dashboard. So this is all the same information you would normally see on your dashboard. And you can sort it by different ways. You can sort it by the date. Say if you want to see all this information over the past month or 6 months or year, you can put that all in there. We've also got a button to your calendar if you want to see what's going on in your schedule over the next few weeks or month. We've got the contacts button, again, where you can find all the contacts there. You got a button for the documents and contracts. So you can either see all of the templates that are in your account. We include a bunch of them for all Stride users that are land investor specific. And you can see all of the documents that you've sent out for e-signature. Say if you're still waiting for somebody to respond, or if they did respond, you can see all that stuff right here. You can click on any one of these things and it will open up the document itself. So you can take a look at it and make sure everything looks right. And there we go. Got the whole thing. We can see their signature block. Looks like this particular one has not been signed yet. But again, that's the value in it. If you're waiting on somebody to sign it, you could actually see that right here in the app and give them a call and say, hey, can I help you with anything? Can we get this thing done today? Now moving on back here, we've got the tasks button. So this is another one of those things that's increasingly useful if you have a team and if they have tasks they need to do, they can also get the Stride mobile app and stay up to date on the tasks that they need to do as well as what you need to do. And then the media storage. So any images, any assets, any kind of digital media that you've uploaded to your account, you can find that all here. You can tap on any one of these things and hit this little share button and grab a link to it. Now we can share that link with anybody, whether it's a PDF or an image or whatever it might be. Then going over here, go back, we can click on manual actions. So there's nothing here in this demo account, but if there's any manual thing that you or your team members need to do, that's there. And also ask AI. So if at any point you just don't know what to do, or you don't know where something is, or if you're confused about literally anything, just ask AI. Like seriously, it will give you the answer most likely and help you get pretty far. I use this thing all the time when I have questions or get stuck on things. So this is definitely a nice feature to have built right into the app. And of course, you're always going to see this little notifications bell at the top. If somebody's waiting on you for something, you can see that stuff here and it'll take you right to the relevant thing in your account so you can read that. And then you can go back here. If you want to change the background from light to dark or just match whatever your system's doing, you can do that as well. That's pretty much it for the mobile app. So this is one of those things that will likely continue to improve as time goes on. But at the very least, I wanted to make sure that you knew that this is available now. It's super convenient, and hopefully this helps you understand what exactly you can accomplish with this thing. Thanks for watching. Wish you all the best with the new app. We'll talk to you again soon.